today I popped into Aldi. I did a big shop. I think it was £23 the shop, but instead of just putting everything on the table, I'm just gonna divide things to how I'm going to use it. But in total it was £23 and 10p. I'm gonna start off with tonight's dinner because it's evening now. Tonight's dinner is going to be don't mind him. Okay. Yeah. Tonight's dinner is going to be some super soft original wraps, 65p each, with the shredded chicken, with the Roosters salt and chili shredded chicken strips. These are £1.89, and I've already done a video on how I'm going to make this, so I'm just going to quickly skip to how I've made it, but I will link the video up in the card section. I don't know if I think it's up here, right? Yeah, it'll be up here. And they're going to have it with some waffles. This waffles I already had in the freezer. I had this, I think it was Christmas or New Year's Day. We had these mini chocolate ice creams. So they're miniature versions of like the bigger versions. There's 8 inside, so you get 4 milk chocolate, 2 almonds, 2 white chocolate, and yeah, they're gonna have that afterwards as dessert. For breakfast, I brought, we already had orange juice in the cupboard. We have like a huge storage of orange juice in the cupboard. These are still Aldi orange juice. I bought some croissants yesterday, and the kids are going to have it with some Brussels pate. We have a huge, I think we've got 4 tubs of these in the fridge, and yeah, it's about time we need to start using them. So yesterday I was like, let me get some croissants so they can have it with some pate. And then for the youngest two, the baby and my 4-year-old, he's not really a fan of croissants, but he loves waffles. These are chocolate hazelnut flavoured waffles, and they are going to have it with sausages. These are Sainsbury's sausages. I'm still yet to try like Aldi sausages, but the one I tried, which was the cheapest one, I didn't really like it. I just usually get the Sainsbury's sausages, but these are £1.40, the 20 pack of Sainsbury's sausages. It's dinner time the next day. Today we're having potato, spinach and mushroom soup, and obviously with some onions. And also yesterday, I totally forgot, we were supposed to have this yesterday, ice cream minis, so we're gonna have that today. Today's meal is more of an alternative if you're going like meat free or if you're vegan. I might be adding some saltfish to this because obviously we're not vegans, but we haven't had like proper like fish in quite a while.